أعزائي طلاب الصف الأول الثانوي مدارس دار الثقافة، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we are going to study the last page of our English course this term. Page 60. It's the cross-curricular page. Here we should listen and read this text about installation art. Installation. What does it mean? It means when a piece or of equipment that has been fitted in its place, or it means a piece of modern art which can include objects, light, and sound. Listen carefully. Listen carefully to the whole page first, then look at exercise C to answer the 7 sentences. Listen first.
Cross-curricular page. Art.
Installation art. Installation art is a kind of art that uses the area it's in to help people enjoy it. It isn't just about making paintings or sculpture. Installation art includes exhibits with sound, performances, video, and even the internet. The people who experience the art often have to use different senses at once, not only sight, but also hearing, smell, and touch. You can find installation art in museums and in public places, like parks and shopping centres, where many people will see it. Most art installations are temporary and stay at the site only for a few weeks or months. The main point of installation art is not just for people to look at it, but also to experience it and feel like they are part of the art too. These days, there are many artists who make installation art. Carlston Holer displayed his test site in the main hall of the Tate Modern in London from October 2006 to April 2007. Test site was an installation of 5 large metal slides that people could slide down for free. Also, in 2003, at the Tate Modern, artist Olafur Eliasson installed a glowing sun in the room and a huge mirror on the ceiling. The room was also filled with a mist made of sugar and water. The installation was called The Weather Project, and many visitors enjoyed lying on the floor and looking up at their shadows on the ceiling. One of the most innovative artists in the field of light sculpture is Dante Leonelli. His first major exhibition of kinetic light art took place at the Hayward Gallery in 1970. And since then, he and his group, The Continuum, have presented some famous works of installation art, such as those at the Millennium Dome and at Notting Hill Gate in London. If you pass by these sites, you will be able to see some huge rings of light, consisting mainly of LEDs, that are programmed to change colour and intensity according to the changes in ozone levels, air pollution, or even in meteorological conditions. These solar-powered rings are supported by almost invisible stainless steel wires, and their aim is to increase our ecological and environmental awareness.
After listening to the whole passage of installation art, here we have 7 sentences in exercise C. Read the text again and write T for the true sentences or F for the false ones. You can see, hear, and smell in installation art. It's true. Installation art only appears in public places. It's false. Number 3, installation art usually doesn't last forever. It's true. Carlston Holer installed slides outside the Tate Modern in 2006. It's false. Visitors didn't have to pay to use the slides. It's true. Natural sunlight was used for the weather project. It's false. Now look at the last question in exercise C. Lionel's rings of light do not change their color according to climate changes. It's false. Alhamdulillah, I have completed explaining the whole English course this year. Look at the practice book or the activity book. You can answer the pages from 50 until 58. Goodbye.